So I have an unhappy customer that purchased a chain like this. Let's hear what he has to say. Okay, I'm going to use my microphone to listen in so everybody could hear.
Explain what the fuck type of gold y'all using on these motherfuckers, man. Now look, my shit got the 14 karat stamp and all that, but how the fuck is this happening? This shit just randomly gonna fucking snap on me? Nah, so what the fuck type of quality is this, B?
Okay, so the man is upset about his chain. All right. What type of quality? What type of this? Let's take a look at the chain, the type of chain that he purchased. All right, so this is a rope chain. This is a 10 karat gold one. He had a 14 karat gold one. Okay. Let me see if we have, these are all 10K, what have you. Now 10K is a little bit stronger than 14 karat, but for this example, we're going to use 10. So this is the chain you purchased. He's complaining that it broke. Let's see what kind of strength it takes to break this chain. Not a lot. All right, that's because it is a very light chain. You know, it breaks. This is what it is. Buyer beware. I should perhaps, what are my options here? Discontinue the product. All right, let's take a look up close what this looks like. You know, this is what it is. I could either discontinue the product, I could explain to you what's going on, but this is not a 300-gram Miami Cuban. This is the nature of it. And for my particular client over here, I have all due respect for you, the real Larson Ave, or Arson Ave, all right? If the chain doesn't work out and you find it to be defective, then of course you could return it, we could discontinue it. I could, provide only heavier chains to my clients that are stronger and tougher. However, this chain doesn't really break if you wear it carefully. Now, yours might have happened to have that type of situation. I don't know how. These are the ways the chains come. They're nice, they're beautiful, they're light and delicate for a reason, so they wouldn't be too expensive. Okay? This is the chain on the website. In 14 karat, you can have it in 10 karat as well. Trax Gomez, you get live chat, you can get personal service, you can get whatever you need. My important thing is to be able to get you whatever jewelry you want to buy, whatever jewelry you can afford, or what have you, okay? This is the product, item number 64541. And it weighs 3.39 grams. If there is a way to make a really sturdy chain that looks this big and have it only weigh 3.39 grams, I would love to hear about it. Until then, this is what I could do. So, once again, sir, appreciate your order. I appreciate your inquiry. I apologize for the way the chain is made. Unfortunately, I do not control the laws of physics. I cannot sit here and make this, hold up a ton in weight and be durable. However, if something does happen, I'm not asking you forcing you to keep a defective product or giving you a hard time. I'm addressing the issue personally because I take my business serious. I appreciate every dollar that you spend in this company, whether it's $100,000 or $100 or whatever it is. Sorry that this happened to your chain. Sorry that the gold price is the way it is. Sorry that rope chains are a little bit delicate. Maybe a curb link in this sense would be a little bit harder. And the weakest point on a chain, of course, is the lock, where it's connected, where it's put together. There's not a lot holding this thing together, and that's just the way these things are made. If too many clients have an issue, I'll discontinue. Otherwise, for anybody out there, feel free to shop on TraxNYC.com. I'm going to stand behind the product and the purchase 100%. I'm not going to sit here and block Arson Ave and pretend nothing happened. I'm going to address it face to face. We got live chat, we got the product, we got the Diamond District. We're going to try to do everything the way it's supposed to be done. Okay? So sorry about that one more time. Thank you for your purchase, and whatever you need, I got you all the way.